we need some glue. I'm using glue in the dark, and if it's not sparkly, you can use some sparkles if you want. And I am using some Elmer's Magical Liquid for activator, a spatula, and a big bowl. You only need 1 tablespoon of activator if your slime is small. Tiny bit. There. Now I am going to mix them together until they're like all stick together, you know. Let's keep mixing. I'm gonna put 1 more drop, so yeah. Keep mixing more. More and more and more. It will be wet and gooey at first, but when you keep mixing it more and more, then it will become better and slimier. Now I'm gonna mix my hands, but first let me just clean that. Okay. It's very dirty with the spatula. Ooh, yeah. I am going to mix with my hands now, so it's gonna be like kneaded more. Alright, it's almost done. So yeah, gonna knead it a little more. Whoops, keeps going around. Alright, now I'm just trying to make this like not more stickier, because it's all done. It's, oh my god, the little piece fell. So yeah, I'm just trying to make it not stickier. And it was very easy because we only had like 2 ingredients, like glue and activator. It's very easy. You can use borax if you don't have activator, so. More mixing. Oh yeah, it's cool. Now that it's on the table, I am going to like knead it more, like I'm going to poke. Ooh, good poking. Still a little. I made it like a half bottle of glue, but you can use it like a lot or a little bit lesser because I didn't want to finish my glue, so yeah. This is a very fun like thing to make, slime to make, because you can have fun with it when you go like in summertime. And by the way, I just found out I can make shapes. Like I can make this heart. Boom! This heart. That's cool, right? I think I made fluffy slime, but when you're done playing with it, put it in a container and close it with your lid, because if you don't close it, then it will dry and then probably you'll be so sad. When you're done, like yeah, if you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe. I'm gonna stir it. Oh my god, it can go all the way to the table. Ah! I don't think I can make a bubble, but I'm just gonna try because this is a very small slime. Oh, it kind of made one, but it popped. Right, let's try again. One more try. This. Alright. Oh, I made a bubble! See that? Oh my god, that's so cool! Yay, I can make a bubble.